Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olsen and today we're drawing an Easter basket. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with, I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Hello little artists, today we're drawing an Easter basket and I hope you find this lesson super easy. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. Let's start in the middle of the paper and then we're gonna go up. We're gonna trace a rectangle shape that is gonna be the center of the bow. Now we're gonna go on the right side and we're gonna trace a line that goes up and now to the right. And on the left side the same thing. We're gonna go up first and then to the left. Now let's go down in both sides and I'm trying to round the corners. We're gonna do the same thing here. And now we're gonna do a little line to the opposite side. So we're gonna do here to the left and in this one to the right. Now we're gonna close the bow here in this corner. Next we're gonna do a couple lines inside to make it look more like a bow. Now let's do the bottom part of the bow and I want to start from this corner going down and curve, curve and go up. Now again from this corner we're gonna go down, curve, curve and go up. Okay? Now let's do the size of the basket. So I'm gonna start first on the corner that we did here and we're gonna do a curve that goes down. Okay? Now I want to try to do the same length of this curve that on the opposite side. The same thing. We want to go curve and goes down. Now let's do these lines double and we're gonna leave up a space and we're gonna come down the same way and the same here. Now let's close these lines from side to side and I want to turn my paper just to make it a little bit easy and I want to start doing a curve that goes to the other side. Okay, and we're gonna pass a little bit this line so we can do a curve down, and I want to turn my paper a little and I want to do the same thing. I want to do a curved line that goes from side to side. Now we're gonna do the eggs that go inside the basket. I want to start on the left side and I'm just gonna do kind of like an oval shape that goes up and down. Now I want to leave a finger space here and we're gonna do one more and this one is tilting a little bit to the right. Okay, and we're gonna do a last egg in behind these two that is picking up down here. Now let's do the sides of the basket. So I'm gonna come from this corner with a diagonal line that comes down and the same thing here. And now we're gonna do the Easter eggs down here before we continue with the basket. I want to start on this side and I want to do the same thing. It's kind of like a U shape. So I want to start going up, curve, going down, and now the bottom goes round like this. Now in the middle we're going to do one more and we're going to do the same idea I did here. We're going to start kind of like with a letter U shape and now we're going to start going round like this. Let's do one more egg in this side. So I'm gonna curve, going down and start curving like that. And the last one is gonna be in behind. We're gonna overlap. So I'm curving, going down, and I'm just gonna pass a curve on the bottom. Now, if your lines don't touch like mine, we're just gonna connect this line here and this line here. Inside we're gonna do lines for the basket. So I want to leave a space here and I want to try to do this line a little bit more straight, following the same shape this one has. So I want to go down like this. Here the same thing. We're gonna leave a space and I want to go down like this. It's a little diagonal. Now let's leave a finger space and we're gonna do one more finger space and I'm doing one more. And again, finger space, you do another one, finger space, the last one. And now we're gonna do two lines across, they go across in a horizontal way. So I'm just gonna go in here, and these lines are a little curvy. And I wanna go really close to the eggs. And if you want, you can pass this line in behind the egg if it crosses too close. And there, that's it. We finished this Easter basket, and now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how my basket turned out. I think these can look really pretty when you change the colors or you decorate your Easter eggs differently. I want to keep it simple and I just went for plain colors, but you can actually use your imagination to decorate your eggs. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time.